What's up, guys? It is crazy hot in the shop today. Today's Monday, so you guys know it's Cornwell Monday. Mr. Joe just pulled up, so we're gonna go try out some of his AC and see what he's got on there and pick up a few things. You guys come on.
So man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? Missed y'all. I know you guys, I've heard you guys miss me, but I had to take care of a family emergency. I was up north Wisconsin. My youngest grandson, not even 6 months old yet, had to have brain surgery. But he's fine, or if he didn't come out of the hospital, I'd still be there and my wife would be there, but he's all good thanks to a lot of prayers from an awful lot of people. So all I can say is thank you to everybody. Today we have 3/8 long wrench, Cornwell. Got a part number right here.
Beautiful focus. Alright.
17.5 inches long, 3/8. Thing's on sale for 125 bucks.
It's a long ratchet.
But then when you need a big boy,
I'd say my longer ratchet.
that's
You can
where
use
if you
that as
got, that's if you got 3D.
You can use that as a walking
We
stick.
have part number up here.
Alright.
It's a fine tooth, 1/2 inch, 28 inches long, flexible, with the handle. These are on sale for, we'll just call it 170. It's just under 170, but we'll call it 170. I like even numbers. But that's a bad boy. If you need to hit somebody really good, make sure you do it this way, so when you hit them here, this flexes, hits them the second time. Because if he deserves to get hit once, he deserves to get hit twice.
That's
So
it.
that's a tool right there. Now we're going to go on to the 3-piece swivel ratchet set. I know I'm going kind of quick here, but we have a part number back here. If I hold this the right way,
Alright.
we play Twister on the truck for doing that. But the swivels, they will swivel down. They're fine tooth. You can do the, I don't want a guy to change the spark plugs like this, but he doesn't use a core, he uses 3/8, of course, or the 1/2. And we got the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch. Now, there were, last I checked, there were a few other companies that made 1/4 and 3/8, but they were never able to make the 1/2 inch strong enough. We've been making a 1/2 inch for over 10 years.
Wow.
We were the only company that could. Somebody may be making one now, I'm not sure, but I know this one's been tested and proven right here.
That's cool.
We have this set on sale, 210 bucks for all three.
Okay, that's not bad at all.
210
There's
bucks.
3 of them. You call them swivel heads, we call them roto heads.
Roto heads? Okay.
Roto head.
Yeah, I call them, yes.
That's the redneck term of them.
Guys, we got the launch scan too. It's a CRP 123 plus. So ABS, transmission, they're on sale this month, and I know it's not a lot of time telling you, but $220 for this month. What it does, though, you buy it from Cornwell, you register it, you get lifetime updates on it. As long as you own it, you're the one, logging in to update it.
So, in other words, when 2018 model or 19 models come out, it's gonna
You'll
update.
be able to update for that, 220, 225, it don't matter, as long as you own this, and
Wow,
they have the updates for it, and don't cost you extra.
can't beat
That's
that.
where we're at, don't cost you extra.
That's awesome.
220 now, they're about 300 normal, so it's a good sale. Just let me know, and
Does
we'll
that
take
one
care
do
of
the
it.
live data and everything?
Yes.
Foreign and domestic?
Yes. Is able to diagnose the 4 main systems, worldwide main systems, engine, transmission, airbags, our new system, extreme models, functions be available. That there will tell you a whole lot more than what I can read for you.
That's really good that it's lifetime updates.
There we go.
That's awesome.
So we're working on taking care of you every which way.
All right, guys, be sure to get up with Mr. Joe if you're interested in a good scan tool. No paying for updates.
We got a hat, t-shirt combo. Here's the hat. Got the red, white, and blue with the Iron Man in there. It's got the same logo on the back of the shirt and then the front of the shirt.
That's nice. Very nice shirt.
So these here, the combos are $27.95. These will be on sale all July. So
Cool.
you get the hat and the shirt together.
Can't beat that.
So if there's anything I can get for you, let me know. I'm trying to catch up on emails and texts, and I want to thank everybody that's reached out to me over on the phone.
Talk about these, because I know you sold one set to Kendall Lawn guys. So
We've seen the double flex ratcheting wrenches. I got standard or metric. The metric set's 12 piece. It's 8mm to 19. Spline drive, flank drive on this side. Part number right here.
tell everybody who's getting that set.
Well, if I turned the camera around, we'd be looking at Mr. Clay. This is Mr. Clay's set. I told him he could do it, but he's got a set of wrenches here. And later we'll work on the fraction set or another set of wrenches to close this up.
That's it.
So, thank you guys. I hope you all have a great week. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.
All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Like always, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe down here below, and if you need anything on here, Mr. Joe's card will be at the end of the video, so just shoot him a text. Y'all guys have a great one, and we'll catch you next time. What's up, guys? As you seen, Mr. Joe had a lot of stuff on his truck today. I know it's kind of loud here in the shop because we got like 5 fans running because it is hot. But anyway, this is the set that I picked up. The part number is CRW12MDFX. It's the 12-piece metric double flex ratcheting wrenches. Let me get these things open and I'll show you guys kind of what it's all about. That way you can see. It's got their version of kind of the spline drive. They fit on 6-point, 12-point square torques and spline fasteners. Get one of them out here. That way you guys can take a look at it. We'll go with the old 19mm. As you can see, here's the, it's got a laser etch finish. It's got the splines and the double flex. You can kind of configure it however you need to. And in this end, it's kind of got their flank drive look to it. But there they are, guys. Cornwell double flex.